To begin, season your patty with these seasonings. Then, into a pan with some olive oil, place your patty away from you into the pan. Once your patty is starting to brown, give it a nice old flip. Then, once both sides are starting to brown, throw 2 slices of American cheese onto the patty. Then, after you put your cheese on your patty, put a little bit of water into the pan and cover it with a glass lid. This will allow steam to be created and will help the cheese melt even faster. Then, slice a tomato and also put that on top of your lettuce. Then, grab 2 to 3 pickles and put that on the side where all your other toppings are. Now, it's time to plate. And there you have it.